This is Lucas Davis with MarineMax. I'm going to be showing you this Harris 250 Cruiser. It's a 2026 model. The color is a very dark blue. We're going to make our way up. The floor plan is dual helm, single lounge. Plenty of storage throughout the boat. This is your helm. Got a Simrad screen and wet sounds audio. Batteries underneath here. Battery switch. 200 horsepower Mercury outboard on the back. Here is your lounger setup. It can even lay all the way flat. Fender holders. Lily pad ladder. Bimini. If you have any more questions about this boat, reach out to us.